So good morning all.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. 15th question. The roots of
Sir, please show previous page.
this is the first page. Just now started. The roots of x square plus a square equals to 8x plus 6a are real. Then a belongs to first option closed 2,9. Second one
Sir, 14 to 1, sir. Okay.
okay. Right. Minus 2,8. Third one 0,7. Fourth one 6,8. Right. This is also related to the concept of quadratic inequality only. The roots of this quadratic equation are real. Then we need to find out interval of a. So real means the discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. That's all. So if you consider d greater than or equal to 0, then we get a quadratic inequality in a. If you solve that quadratic inequality, you will get the range of a. So now, first let us rearrange this one. X square minus 8x plus a square minus 6a equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation in x whose roots are real. So regarding to this, here a equals to coefficient of x square is 1, b equals to minus 8, and c value equals to a square minus 6a. Since real, d greater than or equal to 0. So that means b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. So minus 8 square right, minus 4 times 1 times a square minus 6a greater than or equal to 0. 64 minus 8 square minus 4 times a square minus 6a greater than or equal to 0. Divide both sides by minus 4 or multiply both sides with minus 1 by 4. No problem. Both are same. So we get minus 16. This will be plus a square minus 6a less than or equal to 0. This is very important. A square minus 6a. This will be minus 16 less than or equal to 0. So what are the factors of a square minus 6a minus 16? What are the factors? A minus 8 into a plus 2. Can I write? Okay, can I write?
Yes, sir.
a minus 8 into a plus 2 less than or equal to 0. Here a values -2 and 8. So as for the inequality, a lies between -2 comma 8. Therefore a belongs to, we can write like this, -2 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 8. So a belongs to closed -2 comma 8. So that means second option is the right option. Okay, shall I move to next question?
No, sir, please wait, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. So let us move to the next question. The value of a for which the equation the equation 3x square plus 2 of a square plus 1 of x plus a square minus 3a plus 2 is equal to 0 has both the roots are positive. Both the roots are positive. First option. So let me better you write down like this, because we cannot find the exact one value of a. Better you can change like this. The least value of a, the least integral value of a for which the equation 3x square plus 2 of a square plus 1 of x plus a square minus 3a plus 2 is equal to 0 as both the roots are positive. First option 3, second option 4, third option 1, fourth option 5. Right. Here the keyword is both the roots are positive. Both the roots are positive. So for example, if you say alpha and beta, both alpha and beta are positive. If both alpha and beta are positive, that means here see alpha greater than 0, beta greater than 0. If you multiply these two, what do you get? Alpha into beta, positive into positive, positive. So alpha beta is greater than 0. That means here we have the one concept we evaluate here. What is the concept? The product of the roots of this quadratic equation is always greater than 0. So that means what is the product of the roots here? Constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So a square minus 3a plus 2 upon 3 greater than 0. You get an inequality in a. Just solve it. After that, from that solution, find out least integral value of a. So now, for example, if you say the roots of this equation, roots are alpha and beta. According to the problem, alpha greater than 0, beta greater than 0. That's why alpha beta is greater than 0. Alpha beta means constant term. a square minus 3a plus 2 upon coefficient of x square 3 will be greater than 0. So now by cross multiplication, being 3 is positive, the inequality sign will not change. A square minus 3a plus 2 is greater than 0. Is greater than 0. So factors of this one we can write a minus 1 into a minus 2 greater than 0. Here a values will be 1, 2. A does not lie between 1, 2. That means we can write like this: a less than 1 or a greater than 2. So the least integral value of a, the least integral value of a means what do you write now here? 3 least integral value of a. Okay, a less than 1 and a greater than 2. That means a values, what do you take now here? Both roots are positive. That means a values will be like this. Less than 1 means what do you write now? 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on like that. A greater than 2 means a is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on like that. So actually the least integral value, what is the least integral value here? 0. It's not an integral value, 0 here. Least integral value 0 will be
3.
How could you see 3? We are not asked for positive here. Only integral value of a. Of all the values, what will be the least value? Least value we cannot say. We cannot say. We cannot say. We cannot say.
Oh, hold on to it.
Least value will be. Yeah, this is negative infinity. Is it enough? Okay. Let us change the question here now. The least positive integral value, that will be 3. So first option is the right option. Now the 16th question. 16th question. The expression two x square all of you unmute yourself. 2x square plus 4x plus 7 has minimum value m. That means minimum value of the expression is m at x is equal to a. At x is equal to a. The order pair a comma m is equal to, first option 1 comma minus 5, second option minus 1 comma minus 5, third option minus 1 comma 5, fourth option 1 comma 5. See, the expression 2x square plus 4x plus 7 has minimum, obviously minimum value. The minimum value is m here. At x is equal to a. So that means x value we need to find out and minimum value we need to find out. So we have the formula now. See, x value is equal to minus b upon 2a. Here minus 4 upon 4. So that will be minus 1 x value. So now f minimum. Since coefficient of x square is positive, it will be having minimum because a is here greater than 0. So it has minimum value. The minimum value is equal to m. So you write down here m. So that is equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. 4ac minus b square by 4a. So 4 into a is 2, c is 7, minus b square 4 square upon 4 into 2. Take this is actually 16. This will be 8 into 7 into 16 upon 8. Take 8 common. We get 7 minus 2 upon 8. 8 will cancel out. We have 5. Therefore, according to the question, we have this a comma m. Here a means this value, but not coefficient of x square. You remember, here at x is equal to a, x value is taken as a. So here minus 1 comma 5. Third option is the right option. Right.
Sir, please wait, sir. Okay, sir.
Next, these are very easy questions. Now you need to answer.
Let's show previous page, sir.
Pardon me. The minimum value of x square minus 8x plus 17. X belongs to R. So the minimum value of this function we need to find out. Just I am revising once again. First note down the question. I will move to the once again 15th question also. First option 17. Second option is -1. Third option is 1. Fourth option is 2. This is the least positive integral value of a.
Show 16th problem, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. So what is the answer?
1.
My dear students, here a is equal to 1, which is greater than 0. Obviously, this expression has minimum value only. Here b equals to -8, c equal to 17. You are asked the minimum value of this function. You can say f minimum. formula 4ac minus b square by 4a. So let us substitute and simplify. 4 times 1 times 17 minus b square minus 8 square upon 4 into 1 4. So we have 4 times 17 minus 64 upon 4. Take 4 common out. 17 minus 16. Am I
One,
correct?
sir.
Oh, very good. 4 will cancel out. So obviously answer is 1. Third option. Right. So check your progress once again.
Sir, one show previous page, sir. Okay, sir.
The minimum value of 2x square plus x minus 1 is, this time also minimum value. First option 1 upon 4. Second option 3 upon 2. Third one is negative 9 upon 8. Fourth option is 9 upon 4. What is the answer?
Option 3, sir.
So now this is the given expression. This is the given expression, right? The minimum value of this function we need to find out. So here, coefficient of x square, a equals to 2, which is positive, b equals to 1, c equals to minus 1. It has minimum value 4ac minus b square upon 4a.
Option C, sir.
Yes, 4 times 2 times c is negative 1, 1 square upon 4a. That means 8. You have minus 8 and minus 1 upon 8. That is minus 9 upon 8. So third option is the right option. So you can check whether it is correct or not. Right. But in the examination, the question will be given in different way. So that we are going to discuss now. So you have practiced how to find out minimum or maximum value of a quadratic expression. So let
Sir, can you show previous page?
take the screenshot. That's a better. Okay. Let a equals to the maximum value of 8x minus x square. C equals to the maximum value of minus x square plus 4x plus 4. Capital D equals to the maximum value of minus 7x square plus 100. Then first option, B less than D, D less than A less than C. Second one, B less than C, C less than A less than D. Third option, C less than A less than B, B less than D. Fourth option, A less than D, D less than C, C less than B. So that means we need to arrange them in the ascending order. The values of A, B, C, D ascending order. So that means 4 questions at a time we need to attempt it. 4 questions we need to do it. So maximum value of this
Sir,
one.
A is -6, sir. A is -6. A
So-
is 6, sir. 6.
Okay. So that means first of all we need to. So formula is same because all are maximum only. Maximum value is what? 4AC minus B square by 4A. In each case, same formula we need to use. So directly write out A is equal to 4AC. 4AC is equal to how much? 4AC is minus 80. Am I correct? 4AC.
Yes, sir.
4 into minus 4.
minus 16.
Minus 80.
16.
Minus
-16.
minus
16.
16.
By
Minus 8.
16, sir.
So that means
Minus
96
16,
by
sir.
8. 12.
Minus
Value will be
16.
12.
-16, sir.
Hmm.
-16, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. This one. Okay, rub it out. This one also. And this is minus 16.
sir. 6 is
Minus
answer.
16. 16. This will be 6.
6, sir.
Yes. A completed. Go for B. B is equal to what? 4AC. 4AC means C value is 0 here. C value is no C value is absent. Constant value is absent. So C value 0 will mean 0 minus B square. Minus B square means minus 64 upon minus 4. Am I correct?
16, sir. 16. 16.
This will be minus 64 by 4. 16. Next, go to C. C means 4AC. 4AC means minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4. So minus 16 and minus 16
8, sir. 8 is
upon minus 4. Let me write first of all. So minus 32 by minus 4, 8. Next, D value. So D value means actually minus 4AC here. 4AC means A is negative. Actually, you will be getting. So that is 4 into
100, sir. D is
minus
100.
7 into 100. Here B is absent. B square is 0 upon 4A. 4A means 4 into minus 7. So 100. D value will be 100. So now arrange this ascending order. So that means what do you write now here? 6 is less than 8. 8 is less than 16. 16 is less than 100.
16 is less than 100.
6 corresponds to A.
A less than
8
less
corresponds to C.
C. And
C,
C less
16
than
corresponds to B.
16. B.
100
B.
corresponds to D.
And
This is
D.
the order. A less than C, C less than B, B less than D. Answer is not there. Check
Can keep
option
on
6.
another option, sir. Okay.
D is 0, sir.
D 0. We'll
Yes,
check
sir.
once again we'll check. D value. See, D value is what? 4AC. Am I correct now? 4AC means 4 into minus 7 into 100 minus 0 B square upon 4 into minus 7. 4 into minus 7, 4 into minus 7 cancel. 100 D.
100 only, sir. There is no mistake.
You check once again, see. Option C. Sorry, question C. Okay, let us change one. For example, if you take -4, what will you get? Let us see whether the question may be correct. Now, let us calculate C.
Even -4 also there will be 16 only, so -16 only.
Huh?
Even -4 also -16 only.
Wait, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let us wait. Let us check. This is C. 4AC. What is the 4AC we'll be getting now here?
4AC is minus
16 plus 16.
-16, sir. 16.
Minus. Yes, C. Actually, 16 you will be getting. This is B square is minus 16.
Yes, -16 by
Upon minus
0, sir. 0.
minus 4. Yes, 0.
Option C, sir.
Yes,
is
now we
option
can
C,
write
sir.
it. We can write it. Right. Now, 6C is less than 0. So 0 less than 6, 6 less than 16, 16 less than 100. 0 corresponds to C, 6 corresponds to A. Next 16 corresponds to B, 100 corresponds to D. So obviously, third option is the right option. So let us go for 20. So that means regarding to the 19th question, careful manner we need to do because 4 questions are there simultaneously at a time. So at most we need to do more calculations errors should not be arised. If 4 less than x, x less than 8, then the value of 12x minus x square minus 32 is first option 0, second option positive, third option is negative, fourth option none. So that means in between in the interval 4 to 8 we need to discuss the sign of this expression.
First, we need to multiply with minus, sir. Negative sign. Then only we can use, sir.
So that means arbitrary take any integral value between 4 to 8, substitute in this expression, then we can decide. In between 4 to 8, what we have 5 there, 6 is there. Substitute
5,
x is
6,
equal to 5.
7.
Yes.
6.
You can take 6 or 5 also, no problem. Let us consider x is equal to 5. This where 5 belongs
3, sir. 3, sir. 5 is 3. 3, sir. Then we get 3.
Now find f of 5. F of 5 is